In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a status in Jira 2025. If you're a project manager or part of a development team using Jira, you know how important it is to tailor your workflow to fit the specific needs of your projects. Adding a status can help you better articulate different stages of your process, making your team's workflow more effective and transparent. So let's dive in. First, open your Jira application and navigate to the main settings. You'll find it in the top navigation bar. Look for the gear icon or the label Jira Settings. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear, and from this menu select Issues. This will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your Jira issues. On this page, you'll notice an option labeled Issue Attributes. Under this section, click on Statuses. This area is where you can define all the different statuses that issues might pass through in your organization's workflows. Right now, let's add a new status. Find and click the Add Status button. Next, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your status. Consider what makes sense for your project needs. For example, you might choose something like Under Review or Waiting for Approval. Anything that describes a distinct phase in your workflow. Once you've decided, go ahead and type it in. After naming your status, you will need to select a category for it. You'll see three options: To Do, In Progress, and Done. These categories help in visually representing the stage of work within the project's lifecycle. Choose the one that best fits the status you're creating. Once you've set both the name and category, click on Add to save your new status. Now, this status is a part of your available options, but to use it effectively, you need to incorporate it into your workflow. To do this, let's move over to Workflows. Again, you'll find this option under the Jira settings. Select a specific workflow you want to modify. Click the three dots usually present at the top right corner of the workflow you selected. Here, choose the Edit option. You'll see a visual diagram of your current workflow. Look for the recently created status and add it into the diagram, positioning it logically where you want it in the workflow. Once it's placed, you'll need to create transitions. Transitions are crucial because they connect different statuses and dictate how issues move from one stage to another, reflecting the decision points in your process. Finally, to ensure all your hard work is applied, click Publish. This saves your changes and makes your new status active in your workflow. These modifications will now be visible to everyone with access to this project, making it easier for your team to track progress accurately. That's it, you've successfully added a new status to your Jira project. Thank you for watching, and happy project managing.